Who this here call me alone? Who this man? Wow, a girl call me. Hello? Yeah. What going baby? What going baby? What going? You alright? Yeah, you say you think about me? I think about it too, you know what I mean? You know, so I miss that something, man. Yeah. Well, so I can't come girl. Screechy in peace before your grandfather wake up. Eh? You depend your period. No, next week, I say me there come link you still in a car. You know, me hear say my mother down a country there. Me hear say she there tie out the cow and the cow buck her in her testicles. Yeah, that's something there. So, me I go try see if me can bring her to hospital real fast. And then me I come check you man. Don't go nowhere, you know. Me I come link you. You hear that?